recognize me? So today I have a very special guest.
Hi.
Drag queen makeup expert extraordinaire, Michaela. What do you have to say about your work? Because I feel some kind of way and I feel like this wig is about to come off of me in 2 seconds. It's so heavy.
This is a good Pheromone original.
Pheromone, thank you so much. I love you so much. Do you want to come in? We have the real Pheromone. Yeah.
And we can see how tan Pharaoh is in real life.
Yes, I have my laces done extra tan.
Hey, I could really use a makeup tip right about now.
You know what I say? You can never wear too much highlighter.
Oh my God. Who is she?
I'm so happy that she came on my channel and she blessed my face with the zhuzh of a century because she is so talented. But without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial. 3, 2, 1.
We're gonna start with foundation and we're just gonna go in with a Kryolan like heavier paint stick just to make sure the brows are gone.
Rue, what is the category?
This is Drag You, Women in Drag. Oh my God.
I look crazy without brows.
I know. And then we're gonna take a Kryolan TV paint stick and 00.
Oh wow, it's so beaming.
It's like the best highlighter I've ever used. I'll like literally use it on every skin tone, which like shouldn't be allowed, but.
Oh my God, my nose. This nose contour?
So good.
Such a moment.
We did a contour moment. She's intense, she's sharp.
It's very subtle.
Trixie Mattel's shaking.
It's extremely pageant worthy.
It is, yeah, pageant drag. We basically just did the face so you guys aren't bored and watching us blend out the face for a long time.
So now we're gonna start on the eyes, which
The
is
fun
the
part.
most exciting part. The part I've been waiting for, other than the eyebrows, obviously, because I have none right now.
Yes.
And nothing wrong with that. Love a no brow look. I'm very excited for the eyeshadow because we're doing pink and we're doing purple. Oh my God, I'm obsessed.
It's gonna be the cutest!
I feel snatched already.
Yeah, that's like where your lashes are gonna cover it. We're putting this ginormous lash on you. Where even is it? Like, look how large.
Large and in charge
Can you
for
please
sure.
mention-
Purple moment to define it a little bit more.
Purple. Oh my God, I'm so excited. How did you do that? Are you kidding? Oh my God, it looks so good.
It's gonna be the best!
It looks so good.
It's gonna be so fun!
Yes.
Moment.
So cute!
So wait, do we put like white underneath you guys to make them look bigger?
put
What did we
used.
use?
We just used your highlight color. This is like a 00 Kryolan stick. I usually go in with like Kat Von D, like white, anything that's white.
Like a tattoo concealer?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Are you nervous? Because I'm nervous.
I'm so excited.
You're
I love
not?
eyebrows.
Okay, let me get comfortable.
You get ready for this artistry?
I'm so major.
Oh my God, we have to make them even first before you call
This
yourself
week's challenge is cutthroat. I'm gonna do this.
A lot of that, yeah. Just the whole night. Oh my God, you look great.
If anyone asks me a question, I'll just do this like Valentina.
Oh, yeah.
And her mask. I'll go like this.
Okay, so now we're done with the brows, and we're gonna do the lashes, and we'll be right back. We're using wig bonding glue to make sure these stay all night.
On my eyes, though?
Yeah.
On my lashes?
Uh-huh.
Will they rip out?
If you put them on your lash line, potentially. But we're not doing that.
Not potentially.
Well, I never even heard of that happening until I met your friend here, Miss August Getty.
Miss for sure.
Miss August Getra.
It dries that fast, though?
So it's like latex and just like, it just stays. Okay, so we're done with the makeup for the most part.
And I have not seen anything yet, so I'm
She's
so
excited.
excited.
I'm so excited. And then we're both gonna go in outfits.
And wigs.
And wigs.
We're gonna get in full quiche.
And do a reveal.
Inspired by RuPaul's Drag Race. Yes, we're gonna do a reveal.
Dedicated to RuPaul's star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame.
Congratulations, Ru! Yes!
So cool.
We are about to do our own reveal. So we will see you guys in a second.
Yeah.
Alright, so that is all for the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for watching this drag transformation. Isn't Michaela the best?
Stop, oh my god.
Thank you so much for coming on my channel.
Thank you for having me. I had so much fun. You look amazing.
So do you, girl. This look. Anyways, we're about to go out, and I can't wait to see people's reactions when I tell them that it's me. Will they believe me? Will they not? Is it a conspiracy theory? Shane Dawson, you're the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course, always stay gorgeous.